So, hi, this is Sangeeta again from India, Nilima Sangeeta, and the task is to identify which of the 10 millionaire success habit that we have, which one is at the moment concerns us, and the 10th one, like say, be a part something bigger than yourself. Yes, and the bigger than yourself is a dream, which is so big. It is a super performing global team, and slowly I'm reaching out to do that. And I don't know the exact how of it, but right now I am working on several things. When I start describing what all I have in my to-do list, and when and I actually very closely monitor what I do on daily basis. So so for such a big dream, what can you put as a to-do list, right? So you need to have some kind of opportunity coming up, some people getting becoming your friends, and some resources you are pushing. So these are the bigger achievements that has to be there when one decides about the progress towards the bigger dream, right? But right now, as I say, I'm starting out and I don't think I have any of them to show off. And that is actually when I participate in a competition, I know there are much successful, more successful people are out there who should be recognized and who will get recognized. And that should be there, but I need to participate and be there for them so that I can cheer them up. And in that process, actually, I raise my vibration towards the bigger dream that I have, and I become aligned with the higher vibration that is happening, that is required to make that dream a reality. The bigger the dream, the bigger the nervousness one has, as you know. And so I also have that kind of nervousness, but it is a huge dream, a super performing global team. That means it is impacting about a billion lives, and with $1 billion enterprise in 139 countries. So it is just huge a dream. But the easiest thing, easiest aspect of this dream is, like say, I can have 1 lakh people, three from each country, each year, who are earning say 1 lakh per year, and that is a easy task and easy qualifier to have. We can have, and if I do that, actually this goal can be achieved, $1 billion enterprise, uh, impacting a billion people in 139 countries. So if I choose every year three people from every country, I can reach that dream. And these people have to be super performer in their own areas, because that is how they, did I say it is 1 lakh per year? No, it is 1 lakh per month. So in India, if it is the currency is rupees, INR, you can say. So 1 lakh INR per month is not. It is just at um, uh, the mid-level manager level. So that is what I do. Actually, I am focusing on them, educating them, because they have the experience to take it forward in their life. And that after say 10 years of experience, they somehow get stuck. Their dream dies down because they think they haven't achieved what they have started with to achieve at this stage. And that happens with many of them. And so how to rejuvenate, rekindle that dream again in them is what my work is. And if we can do that, because of their experience, only thing they lack is this confidence to have that dream again, right? So if we can do that, then the dream of having a $1 billion enterprise wherein all the stakeholders get benefited and we work substantially for the benefit of anybody and everybody. In that case, it is not owning the entire money myself at my end. It has to be owned by people, whoever is working in this area, and that is what my dream is. And so I am now, right now I am working towards that, and every day I get some kind of hint about how the universe is working towards my dream. And it is so much it is I feel gratified, and I feel the gratitude for this, that the universe is actually taking care of my dream. And I am on the way, I am on the right track, right? So this is the biggest take and biggest habit that I can have. Recently, I have started noting the comfortableness in some of the people I am surrounded with, who kind of cannot take this daily successes uh, easily. Because no, I would advise that if you won't track your daily activities, your daily successes, it will be very difficult to keep up the dream that one has. And it takes constant action, imperfect, uncomfortable actions. So if if I can take that, and if I can kind of motivate and everybody around me to take that action, it will be a huge achievement. And I am starting with my example because I cannot ask everybody to take this thing. I can only inspire people to take this action, and it actually in the direction of whatever one is doing, whatever one loves doing. So it is not something very strenuous, or in addition to whatever work you are doing, or you have to find out specific time for that. It is not like that. It is just a pastime, a hobby, and something you 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 enjoy doing, right? So this is the ultimate thing, and right now this is my habit, and I'm proud of that. Thank you.